Okay, since I haven't been able to, since people do actually, since I've been trying to like troubleshoot on my changing the comments, I'm gonna have to change it just for myself back to my phone. After I record it, so that's gonna take ages. Okay, let's just gonna say it. Basically, what it is transfer from my phone to my camera. So yeah. So basically, I'm gonna show you what I did. A computer EOC 1 and 2. I'm stuck on EOC 2 moon stage, which if you can see, this is it has Bon now, so that's not exactly the best thing. Wait, there's a Philippines. Oh, right. And this is basically this is the one with the alien, which is this is classified for Into the Future, and it's yeah. And then I have the one with the Valentine's, and this is the Valentine. And this one was the original moon stage one before. I might want to change that in the future. But in the future, I might actually want to make I'm gonna complete this stage with only one cat and treasure chance up. Okay, well, why? Okay. Whatever, I'm wrong. It ain't matter. Oh, okay. Why that? I just realized this is actually not set up. Too late. I mean, I can just beat it with this thing. Okay, good. It's actually a very different from this, so it's kind of a little bit different. For record, I feel like this is superior bananas. I have no idea why that's a thing. So do I just keep doing it? As soon as I can beat it, I guess I'm playing it. Ain't mad if you get that. This is actually one of my oldest setups, so I'll read this out. Yeah, it's a concept. It's actually one of there's at the time, so I'll show you which one I'm stuck on for Into the Future, and in the next video I might show you that. Lots of difficulties. A lot of difficulties. You're right with that. Hi sisters from What? What the hell? Basically, this is ITF. And so right now I'm on Philippines ITF. ITF 1, by the way. This is how much I've already been calculating. So they're just from Japan and to all the way to again. But there is one special one in ITF that's called the Great Abyss, which is right below India somewhere. And that's actually one that is pretty nice. I was doing legend stages on my phone, so I don't know. They did schedule everything, but I was gonna go and get like more there. And I was on doing that, but then I just ended up canceling it. Every time. I'm gonna start doing stuff like random things. Oh my god. Okay, I'm actually very old. Shit, I'm down. Hold on a sec, this is... Give me 1 second, I'm just gonna really... So actually go to this one and okay. Not really. Maybe. This is the cat button, and this is a crazy costume. That's the book So this is apparently what this story is about. We are not good. Yeah, this is really true. We're not winning. There's no way we're winning. Oh, shit. Bloody squad. Already knocking down. No basement. Oh my god, that's literally just long to it. That. Oh, this place was actually overpowered. There's Jesus. Jesus Christ, that's actually crazy. We're really just getting like a crazy. And that's our enemy. Jesus, man. Whoa. Jeez, man, that was actually... Okay, no, we're not doing that again, man. Into the Future chapter 2, man. This one is Empire 2. Where? What is it? No, okay, this one is... So this one, yeah. We will use the Valentine one. Oh wait, no, this one I think lost it out on the These ends shine. Okay. Record, I guess. Oh, wait, no, okay. So we'll go to searching. So that's what oh, that's actually right. What the hell is this? Okay. What the f... Also saying this is gonna be a video and not a YouTube show because of... Definitely not. The only reason I'm making it as a video is because I'm not sure this is about that show. See, and I feel like turning stuff is gonna be a bad name for the rest of this. And one time to go to my post and my series and post and hope that it goes. I'm gonna make 2 videos today and they are pretty bad. It's so good. So I'm gonna make a video after this video. This is way too long. Oh no, we're not getting this like this. There's no way, this is literally... I'm like, are you serious? There's no teacher expect. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, I don't know. So, okay. Yeah, so. Oh, this is not gonna be a good one. So. Jesus, man. I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna take it on top of I'm gonna record it like this. Maybe. So Sunday night I'm gonna do it for getting ready for the oh yeah, that. Okay, it's the elephant boss. Actually, that's easy if there wasn't any there. It's just like long range, so that it's all around just like strong. So yeah, it's kind of nice. So that's why I don't want to like fight on it. So in somewhere house that's pretty nice. Pretty nice and it's not really like that, so you can knock them out with other elephants. So like, so it's actually good. The only thing is actually pretty nice. And the first time we actually made it, because I haven't made a graphics video so damn long. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, that was nice. So we'll do another one. Yes, cat milk. So we'll do pigeons, or we just need jumping. These are all the parts of the story, sort of like these the enemies are, whatever. This is not like something pretty overpowered. Because it can actually, I think one of these can actually lower the damage. I don't know which one is this. The magical cat or it's some cat slash. I haven't like, I still don't know what it is. So, oh my god, another kangaroo. Now let's get another kangaroo. Tied to the cage. I mean, it's not like an area type. You get the point. I actually don't think it's anything we can do. I think we can just be like just sitting here and yeah, take it. If you want, then it's okay, I will go then. So now I'm trying to get in here. So we finally have to go logic. So that it feels like thing. Don't start with this black cat thing. Don't ask me what this thing lizard thing. This is the second version of the lizard cat thing. I don't know what the fuck it is. And I guess we are facing him now. The bears are also pretty fucking annoying. How many sound effects are there? These are the cute. These are the cute. Very not fair. It's gonna take so damn long for me to do it. I'm already in a few minutes, so I might as well just stay here and go on to Children Hero. Anyway, so I don't know much. I think it's long. And we won't want. All two, I think, was up to me. What points to me this and this. I actually, you guys don't switch my switch. Oh shit, okay, quickly go. Okay, guys. Bye, 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 bye. YouTube's gonna